बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह ताला हम सब को अपने हिफ्ज़ व अमान में रखे। I am Muhammad Ashraf Malik with English pronunciation guide for you people, and as I have already told you in my previous lecture that there are 26 letters in English alphabet and there are 44 sounds in English. It means that only 26 letters give us 44 sounds, which means that one letter can give us more than one sound, and there are certain sounds so which are not given by represented by single letters. So these sounds come from the combination of letters. So such sounds are also there which come from the combinations of different letters. And there are 19 vowel sounds in English and 25 consonant sounds in English, and the sounds which we get by the combinations of different letters. So one of them is O sound in English. So we can get this O sound by the combination of AU, and which I have already made it pretty clear in my previous lecture. And the same sound we can have by the combination of these two letters AW, and likewise OR. When these two letters join, they also give us the same sound, and there are many different ways. So we'll talk about all these ways in our upcoming lectures. So AW, this combination may occur in the beginning of words and it gives us the sound O. And the phonetic symbol for O sound is this O. And here we have a look at the words which have AW in the very beginning. O, all, awesome, awful, odd, awkward, awestruck. So these are the few words which have got, there are maybe many more words which have got AW in the beginning, but just to give you people a guideline, so how things work in English pronunciation. So this AW, this combination may occur at the end of words like low, Joe, clo, flow, po, crow, co, macaw. So macaw is a bird from a parrot family, and this is the most commonly mispronounced word. Rickshaw, row, draw, straw, withdrawal, thaw, handsaw, jigsaw, handsaw, jigsaw, saw, squaw, jackdaw, guffaw. So these are the words which have got AW at the end. We have got words which have got AW combination in the middle. So these words, here we have a look at these. Dawn. If we pronounce this word as dawn, so the meanings would entirely change, and that would be this word dawn. So there is a hell of difference in the meanings. So this word is dawn, jaune, fawn, lone, prone. And if we slightly change the pronunciation, if we just have a look at this word is lone. Lone is a different word, and this is lone. Prone, crawl, troll, troller, brawl, brawn, spawn, hawk. Not hawk or hawk. This is hawk, shoal, sprawl, gawky, tony, scrawny, pawthorn. So this is it. I do hope that you would have understood it pretty clearly how things work in English pronunciation, and as I also tell about the exceptions, the words which are exceptions to this rule or to this generalization are not many, but the only thing we must keep in mind that no vowel sound should follow this AW combination. If any vowel follows AW combination, so it will not give us the sound O. Then we'll have different sounds like awake, aboard. Here sound is different just because vowel A has followed this very combination of AW, and there are so many other combinations which give us the same sound, and we'll talk about all these combinations in our upcoming lectures. Thank you.